Hello everyone, my name is RC. Welcome to the new series of tutorials about Bruin Data Platform. Follow me. So I'll be explaining what Bruin is, what a data platform is, and why do you need to have to use 5 different tools to achieve the same thing that you can do with just using Bruin. It's an end-to-end data platform that helps you with the ingestion, all the transformations, orchestrate everything, set your data quality checks, manage your metadata, lineage, everything, all in the single platform. We will be going through a project where we will extract data from the New York City Taxi database. Now, follow me. We will go to the next tutorial where we will get started.
Welcome again. Now we can get started with our learning goals for this tutorial. We're going to go over the Bruin project structure. What is a pipeline? What are assets? How do we configure our pipelines? And throughout this whole tutorial, you will learn about material strategies that are supported by Bruin. You will understand the Bruin lineage and how to build dependencies between your assets. And we will take a look at the metadata that is created automatically as well as manually. And we will also learn how to parameterize our pipelines by adding custom variables. So let's go ahead with some overview of what is a modern data stack. So as you might already be familiar with, we have our ETL, ELT processes. So you want to extract some data, ingest it from third-party sources or some databases that you have, and you want to bring them into your data warehouse or your data lake, and you want to run some transformations, clean them, create some reports from them, and push them again either to a data warehouse, a data lake, a third-party application. And when you have these different scripts, these different services running, extracting, transforming, making API calls, doing different things, you need an orchestrator to essentially tell them when to do what, how to do it, how to speak to other services, other parts of your code. And that's the orchestration part that also the Bruin orchestrator helps with. And then lastly, you want to have your metadata, you want to be able to create some data governance, and as part of that, you want to have some data quality checks where you want to ensure accuracy, you want to make sure completeness, you want to ensure consistency of your data before you actually deliver that data into the final database or to your data consumers. Where Bruin fits here is really bringing in all of these tools together so you can avoid using 5, 6 different tools, having to configure them separately. You don't need to be a DevOps person and a data infrastructure person and a data architect in order to just build a pipeline. So that's really what Bruin wants to help you achieve, is to bring all of these together into a single project and for you to have your logic of your code, the configurations, the dependencies, the quality checks, everything all in the same place.